Hello everyone, my name is Joerg Vollmer and I'm a trainer for KISMEC. Please call me Joe. Today I want to invite you for a brand new training offer from KISMEC featuring me as your trainer. As you work in an SME with close link to production and shop floor, I am pretty sure you have modern, high-level quality machines, production lines with sensors that create big data and visualization in form of dashboards. But in the same time, your warehouse and your material flow inside your factory needs improvement? Well, then this training course will give you the guidance and practice to solve this imbalance. I will give you an intro why lean is so important in this context, and then you will learn and practice in group works how the 3 most important lean principles will work. I hope to see you soon. Bye.